CJ, so what are you doing to make your bike different?
So I put a bottle in there and I did this. So I just like squashed it in. So the cap has to be right here.
Oh,
and,
I see.
and the back has to be there. And then gosh, wait on it for a minute.
Okay.
It has to be, the top has to be there and then the back has to be there and you have to like crush it. And then you slide.
Oh, it makes a noise, huh? I hear it. That's so cool.
I know.
Very cool.
If you guys want to watch more of our channel, make sure you comment, and if you want to see more science, comment too, and then like and subscribe. Bye guys.